Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam if you're new here. So today guys, I'm going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel. I break this topic into different parts. So let's start on how you can set up your YouTube channel, because this is so important, because before starting posting video, you need to set up your YouTube channel. So you're going to need shorts and simple username. So my advice for your username, you guys, you have to choose a simple username and not too long. You can use your name, it's too easy, or you can search even on Google ideas for YouTube name. You will find a lot of ideas. After you can choose a name that is fine for you. Next thing that you want to set up on your channel is your profile picture. So put your profile picture and your channel banner. So if you don't know what is channel banner, I'm going to show you here, because before, when I started YouTube, I didn't even know what was channel banner. For channel banner, I use Fonto to make my channel banner. You can search on YouTube on how to make channel banner for YouTube channel. You'll find a lot of video about it. And for profile picture is something so simple. You just need to choose one of your picture from your phone and put as a profile picture. So once that you finish to do all that, like putting your username, picture, channel banner, now you need to start to film a video and upload the video. I use my iPhone 7 Plus to upload my videos, to film my video, to edit my videos, and even to edit my thumbnail. So if you want to start your YouTube channel, you don't have to like straight away buy this expensive camera, because you don't know if YouTube is for you, because YouTube take a lot of work, guys. It's not only about filming video and post. You need to film a video, which take like 1 hour and a half. You need to edit video, and that takes like 3 to 8 hours of editing. You need and after like editing your video, you need to post your video and start to put like description. You need to put a thumbnail, you need to put tags. So you need to see if YouTube is for you. At least do it for at least 6 months. If you see your channel is growing, and if you see that, okay, I think YouTube is for me, I'm going to continue doing YouTube, then you can upgrade. But for starting, you need only your phone. You can use your Android phone, you can use your Windows phone, you just need a good light. So right now I'm sitting in front of my window, that's why I get this good and beautiful light. And when you film a video, you want to find a place where you keep your phone. So like right now, my phone is on top of let me show you. So here is where I kept my phone, guys. So if you want to upgrade that, you can buy a tripod. You can find a tripod example on AliExpress, which are so cheap. And so if you're using your iPhone or your Android phone or your Windows phone, you want to film this way. So don't film this way, because if you film your video this way, you're going to get half screen videos. But if you're going to film video this way, you are going to get full video, just like this one. So to edit my video, I use iMovie. This is iPhone app. So if you're using like a Android or Windows phone, I really don't know which app you can use for editing, but you can search here on YouTube what app to use to edit video using Android or Windows phone. So yeah. And once you start to edit your video, you need to put music into your videos. You have to use non-copyright music for your video. You can download this app called Document. This app is going to help you to download music from YouTube, so that you can use this music for your video. If you want me to show you how I download non-copyright music and use it in iMovie, I'll film that video for you. Just like this video or comment down below if you're interested. So other people were asking me how I edit my videos, and that is another video, guys. So I'll film the video and show you guys how I edit my videos. So just subscribe to my channel. And another thing that I'm going to share with you guys. So after editing your videos, so you already edit your video, now you want to post on YouTube. You need to put title, description, and you need to add tags to your video. So you need to put even thumbnail to your video. So you need to verify your channel so that you can put customize a thumbnail, because if you post video, YouTube is going to suggest 3 pictures for your video, and this picture always like not very good, because yeah, a right way to put thumbnail for your video is by editing and add text for your video so that your thumbnail can be a little bit attractive. So for your title, you want to use something which is searchable for YouTube. Example, you film the video on how to do eyebrows. So a simple way to find a good keyword for your title is by searching on YouTube. You just have to search like how to do eyebrows, and when you write that how to do eyebrows, YouTube will give you a lot of suggested keyword for that title. So you'll have to choose one of those keywords that YouTube recommended for you and put on your title. So, and the other suggested keyword that YouTube gave you, you can put as tags. So I advise you the first video to do how-to video, because many people, they want to learn. So if you like makeup, do something like how to do eyebrows or how to do eyeliner. That is so simple. You don't have to have a bunch of makeup to do that video. And or if you are into vlog, you can do like my morning routine. Or if you are into lifestyle, you can do like cleaning, like my daily cleaning. That is so easy video, like, and you can get a lot of viewers doing cleaning video. You don't even have to like talk or anything. You just do your clean or do a little bit of introduction for the video. That's it. Okay, so now guys, let's talk about how you can start to earn money from YouTube, because many people have been asking me this. So before even start to earn money on YouTube, you need to monetize your videos. So before even monetize your video, you need to, let me read this for you guys. You need to have 4,000 watch hours of overall watch time on YouTube. So after reaching this, you're going to be able to monetize your channel by putting ads into your videos. So that's why you see ads when you watch my videos, or you watch any other YouTubers, you see these ads coming up into the video. So it took me 8 months, guys, to get these 4,000 watch hours on my channel. So this happened after posting a video of how to make tomato mask to remove pimples. So that video is what helped me to get so much watch hours on YouTube. And you need to at least have 1,000 subscribers. So for me, I don't remember how long it took me to have 1,000 subscribers. So I think it took me 1 year to have 1,000 subscribers on my channel. Another question, how to get so many viewers and how to get so many subscribers. First, I want to tell you guys, subscribers are not going to make you get paid on YouTube. What is going to make you get paid on YouTube is watch hours and viewers. So you can have like 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and you can still get 100,000 of people watching one of your videos. So my advice is that what you only need, share your video with your family, with your friends. Share your videos on Instagram. If you have Facebook, share on Facebook. After posting your first video, try to post at least 2 videos every week. Or if you are too busy, at least post 1 video every week. So yeah, so that's where you can get used to doing YouTube. And don't worry if your video is not perfect, because everyone's first video is not perfect. If YouTube is what you love, keep on doing, because one day will arrive, one of your video will go viral, and once your video go viral is when you're going to get so much subscribers, and that so much subscribers are going to help you when you're going to post a video. You are going to get so many viewers because you get so many subscribers. That's why to be consistent is so important. That's why you have to keep posting content every week.